you see, I'm passionate about dance, and especially dancing close to myself and to my feelings and to my sensations. I'm gonna give you a tip that really helps me out to enjoy dancing and focus on the appreciation of my dance instead of being self-aware and starting to crunch and like wondering if my moves are okay or not. I'm gonna need a place where you can see me. This should be better. Yes. So yeah, the idea is to focus on your chill, like on the place in you that is chill. Maybe you're really stressed right now. Maybe chill is very far away from you. Maybe, but I want to believe that chill is always there and that is ready for us to call it. So what if chill was there and you just need to call it and let it move you? How would you move? Yeah, and the idea is really not to move to perform, but really move to find this chill, to be in contact with this chill. And you can add your favorite tune and just focus on your chill dance. Yay. Chill dance. And don't worry about looking weird or ridiculous. This is your time to chill. And let it overwhelm you. Yeah. Chill, chill, chill. And continue it. Let it take the place. Look for the chill. Look for the chill. And ask yourself, how can I make it more chill for myself right now? As I'm asking this question right now, just I want to slow down. Just this can be very relaxing and help you being less self-aware. So I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Let me know in comments how was it for you, and if you liked it, if you believe that this can give something to someone you know, please share it. And yeah, don't hesitate to ask me any questions underneath. I will also be very happy to answer if I can. Bye.